Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Walmart support on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently made an order via the Walmart app and there's something wrong with your order. How do you actually go ahead and contact with the Walmart support via the Walmart app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Walmart app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on account. Next, what you want to do is that you want to scroll to where it says purchase history and click on view all. Afterwards, you want to find the order shipment in which there's a problem with. So let's pretend we have a problem with this one from June 18th. And then from here, you want to click on need more help. Let's chat. So click on that. So once you do that, you're going to get a prompt that says that you're going to be connected to Walmart support assistant to help you with your order. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and chat with Walmart support via the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.